guys, what's up? It's Chi here, and today we are reviewing the Concrete Peel-Off Mask by Me.Factory. In 2017, their cement peel-off mask made its rounds around the internet, and in 2018, they debuted the concrete version, which from the limited Korean I could understand, I think is better for more concentrated areas. While the cement peel-off is to be used for your full face, the concrete version I think is to help for those problem areas where you think your pores are extremely clogged. The slogan for this product is no pain, no gain. So I fully went into this not expecting it to be a walk in the dog park, but I low-key bought it for the cute model. Look at him. I kind of would sum this up as another alternative to that painful ass hell pore piggy mask everyone loved to use and react to. The texture of this mask is literally like black glue. It's super sticky and to me also smelt very much like glue. I never really liked the smell of these things though, so that might be just a little biased. So here are the directions on how to use it. First, make sure you have your face fully cleansed. Then apply this mask by very liberally putting it over your pores. I just decided to put it on my nose and cheek area where I have the most porous skin, but you can also put it on your chin, on your forehead, anywhere where you feel like you really need to get all the nasty stuff out of your pores. So once the mask is on your face, wait 30 minutes for it to solidify and then peel it off upwards so it can lift up the nasty gunk with it.
Oh.
On a scale from 1 to 10, I give this mask about a 5 on the pain level. It hurt, but it wasn't super excruciating. It was quite easy to deal with as long as you didn't put it on like a sensitive area or hairy parts of your skin. Now let's see if this stuff really works. Looking at the strip under a microscope, it looks like it got a lot of the nasty sebum buildup on my nose. I also think it did its part in getting some blackheads. All in all, I think this product is pretty good for, again, getting a lot of buildup in concentrated areas of your skin instead of putting it all over your face. So I bought this online at Beauty Box Korea for like $12, and looking around, that's actually the only place you can get it, especially for it to ship to America. But there is, again, a cement version that's out and in more places. So I would honestly suggest just getting the cement version. I don't really recommend buying that specifically from Beauty Box Korea just because shipping is way more expensive and I don't think it's worth it when there is a different version. But if you do see it being sold around you or you are specifically in Korea, I do think it is a nice alternative to the Hell Piggy mask. But again, it's not really worth buying otherwise. And that's it for my review. I hope you guys found this in any way helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.